This is my hand-free Bluetooth birds. Huh. We're all driving. I could even take carpool today. We're gonna take the babies for their pedicures, their beaks, and get their feathers done. They have a lifetime membership for all that stuff. They're spoiled babies, man. You know how we do it. He likes long drives, but because you get to spend time with me, you know, one-on-one, and we're talking, or I'm talking on the phone, and he's like repeating, he's like trying to imitate me, but he completely does not, he doesn't disturb, you know, because I've trained him since he was little. You know, since he was a little baby, he couldn't even get hold on. Like, look at how comfortable he's like just chilling. Like, you know, keep petting me. I mean, like, he's weird. Are you a dog? Are you a cat? You know, birds don't like to be pet. You could maximum go like this on their beak, like, but this guy is like, no. I think he was a dog in his life before this. You know, we are here at the Omar's Exotic, and all these birdies are ready to be taken care of. Woo-hoo! Kingdom of birds. Come on in.
Woo! Big woo!
You know, just doesn't play with his toys. Not a big baby.
Woo! Is that one of Gretchen's babies?
Not that I'm not working.
How old is he? Or she?
But he,
Looks like a girl to me. You got a little cute face and you got kind of light brown eyes, so. Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
those are the plastic birdies. But
strawberry.
You know, from what I hear, you can always reach out to Omar. Just Omar at omarsexoticbirds.com. But from what I hear, the twos are very, very, very violent when they mate, and the males can kill.
Wait, dirty bird house. Like muffled feather.
I would not take a pet and do that.
that's my baby.
Yeah.
That's not.
I think even when Omar has a breeding pair, he is right there to make sure.
So,
I do believe.
yeah, there are.
Wow.
I had a friend that lost a Malacca.
If you want, I can.
I'll help you with it, hon. You want beak, wings, nails? What do you want, Tom? And what's the other one? I'll write it for you. What, you have
He's an
African gray?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. And no health issues, right?
No. They are healthy, Omar baby.
Perfect.
Some kids made this and sent it to them as a
Yeah.
toy, and it has
It's right behind like
real
a dog
feathers
tag.
of
That's
Gretchen.
probably why it's. Yeah.
Because I worked in orange.
Gotcha.
You think it's a real bird
There's never
or
any
no?
pens around here. Hang on.
One thing's for sure, they love sunflower seeds. Any parrot. But only sunflower seeds could have like too much cholesterol, and it could shorten their lifetime. And you have to give them, like, they like it or not, they have to have a blend of safflower, some groats, some other beans, and then just for attraction you put like sunflower seeds in a very small quantity. But of course, like walnuts, almonds, pistachios, cashews, but things moderate. But there's some premium blends, they already mix it for you, and then you could just give it to them. But I prefer to make myself, and because I know what my birds like, and each bird has a different taste. See these wings, they grow, like, but that's what you need to cut. Yeah. Clip. for them to not have higher flights. But some people don't know that and they clip all of them, which makes a bird handicapped, and it's not good. You need to have it where they can fly around in their cage and they can go from like short distances,
No, that makes sense.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's that bird right there, the white one. She's 67 years old. She's like her, and her name is Gretchen. And that lady, she's like 67. It says right here, Gretchen. She's 67 years old. They could live up to 100.
Yeah. I don't have a lot of names.
So does he?
Those are sun conures. They are very playful. Sun conures, Jadalin sun conures. Jadalin sun conures.
No, regular sunflowers.
Too loud. They could. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the yellow hasn't come down yet, but the J stop at the neck, but yeah, they're getting their yellow on the wing.
Yeah, and when it happens, they're like.
I know. They're louder than they are.
Yes, indeed. I didn't know that before buying one of them, and then it got.
They're more consistent.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, I know. That's what I try to tell people. They don't believe
Just be careful with the sign. Don't be fooled.
now that they don't like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Where that blue one is now.
They're a little bit older, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What a pretty print right here. These are all cockatiels, but they're ready to be in a new home. And those ones are tiny little babies. They're learning how to
It's gotta make a
eat,
little noise.
but they still need like
Yeah.
We're gonna learn together.
help,
Don't feel bad.
you know. And at this point, you could touch their belly and feel if it's empty or not. That's the only way to find out.
He's gonna get you a receipt if you want it.
And the gray one we have would need female like this. And she could be one of the very.
Oh, yeah. But I don't come in very often because I'm generally on that side of town. Because I'm in
Gotcha.
Whittier, so I don't.
Yeah. No.
And when I come by either.
Isn't that a lovely setup
I was just here, 99
home for
Penny
birds?
Lane.
I've made that in my older house. I had two of
And I
those.
went back. There's a native thing.
Is he loud? Does he scream?
Like table.
It's part of the package, you know.
We have a
But
dog,
the-
so he's pretty loud.
And this guy loves dogs. If you leave them together a little bit later, you're gonna see him on top of the dog's head. I'm like, all right.
Request or anything like that?
No.
Very friendly.
No problem at all.
I don't know what happened from the last time. Yeah, nothing's there. And what's your first name, hon?
Sandra.
Here we are. Here we go. You're okay.
Can you?
No. Ready?
All right, mommy doing it for 10, 15 years.
Oh. Let me know.
Yeah. Okay, and we're gonna do some pellets.
Yeah. But you said to put him in.
See, right now, this is what happened to me.
Yeah, from the nails. Yeah. I saw that. It was like, wow, that's
But like, I'm used to it. It's my baby, so
Yeah.
it's been 11 years.
Gotcha. Yeah, no, that makes sense.
Look at that.
Have some obscene things going on this. And they're
Well,
saying,
you have a,
what are you saying?
you have a good day, hon. Okay?
I got 25. She's adorable. Very friendly.
It is. You got a very, very nice day.
calming down before we.
Have you ever had a bird before? Okay. Come on over here. Oh, poor little guy. Come on over here.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Look at that. Getting nice. She's okay. Fine. No problem. Do it. This is a little trouble right here.
Yeah.
I'm trying to calm him down a little bit.
All right. You want to be spicy.
You don't like it? Oh my goodness. Look at you. You're all nice. Oh my goodness. Fluffier. And it does not hurt at all now.
This one here, Miss Gretchen, this is just
Okay.
came on Saturday.
You can get one toy today because you've been a good little baby. Huh? You're welcome. I like when kids are nice and mannerable. Very good. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There you go. That's my baby. Baby, baby, baby. Na, 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 na. Fly. Fly.
She gets vegetables and fruit though too, you know. It's just birdie greens.
I've never put like dried greens.
Yeah, she just likes them, so
You
like,
think she?
I don't know. If your bird eats a lot of greens, I think.
I give them like fresh vegetables
Oh, then you
and
don't need it.
strawberries and stuff
Yeah,
like that.
our little girl's gotten really picky. She's old now, and she's 22, and she's just gotten really picky. She won't eat her pellets, but she loses a lot of weight if I just try to starve her out. She was so
Yeah.
sick that I couldn't do it, you know?
Like for example, like these guys now, they're trying not to eat sunflower, and I know like that's good for them,
Yeah.
and I can't give you too much of sunflower
Yeah.
myself, but
Yeah.
that's what you guys like, I know, but unfortunately I can't.
Yeah, here, now our poor little bird, our other cats are really good with, the bird. I can have my bird out and hold the cat, you know, hold the bird and the cat's on my lap at the same time. But now we got this new kitten, and she's right there. But now he's like obsessed with the kitten. So it makes it hard.
Thank you, Mama.
The kitten's
Thank you,
upset with
thank
the
you.
bird.
Hello there,
I
darling.
know. It's just easier to
And now
Thank
you
you,
know
Mommy.
your welcome.
Yeah, this is. I remember.
All right.
2635.
Now I'm not hurt.
Gonna put
I'm gonna be so
The
thankful
chip
to you,
right
man.
there with
Yeah.
And I try not to do it myself because I don't want to get to the point where like you hear anything.
Yeah. Yeah. It takes a little bit of an
You need the
eye for it, I guess, to see where the
I
quick
got
will
my
be.
phone up.
So what? How do you like if I sometimes?
Yeah, so usually about where you want it is if she's standing flat,
Yeah, but
like
then you
with her
have
foot
to
flat,
pay for
where's the nail going to the ground?
So that
So if,
like if it's
yeah, so let's say
Some people
that
do.
is the pad of her
If it's
foot.
under
So
$10, then
can
we
I
have
see
to
your
charge
toe?
something. We're both the
So
same.
let's say this part
Oh, okay.
is
It did,
your
it
hand
did, and you want
and
your
the claw
receipt
is the
today?
finger, right?
Sure. Yeah.
So
Every
this,
time I
one
use it.
this is
usually
just a bunch of
stops
numbers.
as it hits
This
the
will
ground.
tell you what you
If
got.
it's farther
okay?
than that, then that's where we click.
oh,
If
'cause
it's-
that's what's going inside your skin. That's
Yeah,
what's
usually, yeah.
You know when they're not.
Especially at her age, because she still maintains. Yeah, she still maintains her feathers and her nails and
Like
everything.
it's all new, like you still feel it, like new.
Our
Yeah.
dog, 4 and Murdoch's 3.5.
All right, and I can-
Yeah, yeah, you got a ways to go with the keys.
Assuming
I
that,
know, it took us here
that
when
is
it
true.
happened to raise a dog. And we're trying to figure, 25 to 30 pounds. Big, huge. Doesn't he look
Got you.
evil? But
There's your 10% discount.
but he'll change a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, but I would have picked a red one if I had a choice. I don't know. Black and white. Yeah.
Thank you.
Are you guys doing okay now?
Bye bye. We're all done for today. Right? Yep.